1,200 feet below the Strait of Hormuz, something silent is hunting tonight.
Iran's newest weapon, 47 Shahed drones ready to launch.
USS Virginia, $3.4 billion of American steel.
Target acquired, distance 4,000 yards, solution locked.
Mark 48 ADCAP, $3.5 million per shot.
At 400 feet, no one heard it leave the tube. Wire-guided, the submarine controls every meter of its path.
But to understand this moment, you have to go back 8 to 4 months.
Groton, Connecticut, the most secure shipyard in America.
"377 feet of steel built to vanish."
Designed in the 90s to replace the legendary Los Angeles class. Each submarine takes 7 years and 4,000 workers to complete. One reactor core, 33 years, never refueled.
1,000 tiles hand-applied, the reason Sonar cannot find her.
But before the silence, before the steel, there was iron in the ground.
Northern Minnesota, the Mesabi Range, where it all begins.
"200 tons of rock, 40 pounds of explosive."
Crushed, concentrated, refined into iron. Across 2,000 miles of Great Lakes water. (2,800 degrees), iron becomes alloy.
Nickel, chromium, molybdenum, the recipe is classified.
Rolled to exact thickness, quenched, hardened.
Only 2 facilities in America make HY-100.
Under armor and escort destination classified.
NextForge Labs, where steel becomes a submarine. Every plate scanned, no flaws permitted.
Tolerance 1/10 of 1 millimeter.
Heated, bent, curved into a perfect cylinder.
$20,000 steel cuts like paper. Every edge prepped for the welder's fire.
Only 6 to 8 welders in America are certified for HY-100.
One arc, one pass, 6,000 degrees.
20 passes per weld, each cooled, each inspected.
Every weld X-rayed, every flaw rejected.
Section by section, the pressure hull takes shape.
Tested to crush depth, then deeper.
£800 per square inch the hull holds.
Approved, stamped, cleared for assembly.
6 sections, 1 submarine.
The pressure hull is complete, and now the heart goes in.
The reactor compartment, cleaner than a hospital.
Highly enriched uranium sealed for 33 years. First criticality, the reactor is alive. Sealed for 3 decades.
$900 tons, 1 inch of clearance.
The Brain AN BYG-1 combat system. 1,200 hydrophones, each one a separate ear.
No periscope, pure digital optics.
Forward to 26-1.
$135 sailors will live here.
Each tile 6 pounds of specialized rubber. Marine adhesive bonds for 40 years underwater.
$1,000 times 1,000 tiles.
From close you see tiles, from sonar you see nothing. The last one, the submarine, vanishes. The sail where the captain commands.
The propulsor classified quieter than the ocean itself.
Mounted, sealed, untouchable. 8 to 4 months, 4,000 workers, 1 predator.
Newport, Rhode Island, the Mark 48 line.
Auto fuel 2 burns without oxygen.
"20 miles of wire, real-time control."
Active homing sonar, it thinks for itself.
$3.5 million, combat ready.
Loaded with care, 1 mistake costs lives.
Through the weapons hatch into the boat.
Slowly, carefully into her belly. Tube 1 loaded. Ugh. Ready for launch.
Her first taste of the sea.
I christen thee USS Virginia.
Out of the yard, into history.
Test depth 800 feet.
"25 knots submerged, silent."
commissioned into the United States Navy.
$135 souls, one mission.
Mission Strait of Hormuz.
$8,000 miles to her target.
Dive, dive, dive.
Strait of Hormuz, 2 a.m. local.
Contact surface vessel, Iranian flag.
"47 Shahed drones confirmed.
Battle stations Torpedo.
Solution lock tubes 1 and 2 ready.
Match generated bearings shoot.
Weapon away.
Two fish in the water. Captain steering them by hand. Active homing, she's locked on.
Too late, they saw it.
First strike forward magazine. Second strike engine room. "47 drones, 47 splashes. The threat neutralized." She turns away, unseen, untouched. One down, 25 remaining. Mission complete. Course home. By morning, the world will ask, who did this?
$3.4 billion per submarine.
$84 months from first cut to last weld.
4,000 Americans, 1 submarine.
1 reactor fueled once, 33 years.
$1,000 tiles hand applied by human hands.
"23 sisters, 23 predators."
NextForge Labs, where steel becomes silence.
And tomorrow, the next one begins.
She will sail, and she will hunt, she will return, or she will not. After every mission, she returns to the light. USS Virginia mission complete. Built by NextForge Labs, forged in silence, feared in every ocean.
This production by NextForge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. NextForge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.